Well, Kentuckians, you might have felt some raindrops today.
Could more rounds of rain be in our near future? Chief Meteorologist Bill Meck will be in next.
I've had a severe thunderstorm warning issued. This is around Green River Lake, so between Campbellsville and Columbia. So it's southern Taylor County, northern Adair County. Taylor County till 6:45. Adair County, it's 5:45 Central Time for that severe thunderstorm that is just south of Campbellsville at this point. Green River Lake's really a pretty good destination for that particular storm. So we are looking at that line here. The southern part now is certainly more active than the northern part, but we're keeping an eye on some of these storms up here as well. But for you folks down Casey County, Lincoln, Pulaski, Russell, Wayne, probably Rockcastle, Laurel, Whitley, be aware that that line of storms is headed your way. So the next couple of hours could get rocking and rolling for some of us. You look at the storms now, they're south of Perryville there in Boyle County, right at the Casey County line. So again, around Alum Springs, back toward Danville, a little bit of a break. Folks in Garrett County, you've got the storms there around Lancaster, Nicholasville, getting hit pretty hard right now with some heavy rain. Lighter rain then from Mount Vernon on over towards Sand Gap and McKee. Heavy storm, we were really looking at this one carefully. That has now moved out of Fayette County. It's in the southern part of Bourbon County. This is still south of Paris, moving in on North Middletown. You can see the lightning display with that, likely some hail mixing in as well. That's going to be into the northern part of Clark County, but this one still bears some watching, although it looks like it's weakened some. For you folks North Middletown, you're going to get pounded with some heavy rain here shortly. Same idea with folks around Owingsville, especially north of there in Bath County. As you're approaching the Licking River, getting on into Fleming County, you folks there are going to see some real heavy rain, likely again some hail with that. That's heading up toward Hillsboro, Muses Mill, Plummer's Mill. You are looking at that storm likely passing just north of Moorhead. So strong wind gusts certainly can't be ruled out. Hail is a possibility. There's shear available. Locally heavy rain has been coming out of these storms also. Greater risk is more in Middle Tennessee, but for us it's a marginal risk of severe storms, and it looks like maybe enough energy is available around the Lake Cumberland area. We could have to keep an eye on these for the next few hours. Not only that, the greatest severe weather threat is going to be from a damaging wind gust, but again, there is shear available, and a little bit of rotation can't be ruled out from those storms. But aside from that, we need the rain. Boy, and it rained hard for a while, and that's that strange liquid that was falling out of the sky. Game day Saturday, it's going to be warmer than last week, but it also may be wetter. There's a lot of cold coming as we look toward the 8-day. Half an inch of rain so far south side of Lexington. Owingsville's picked up 3/10 off the mesonet. Most folks haven't seen any yet, but we will with time. Danville's picked up 4/10 of an inch of rain. In fact, as we go through the rest of tonight, a half to around an inch for some folks in central Kentucky, a quarter to a half inch as we look across the south. We've watched the initial waves of storms come by. It got hot for a while today. We pushed that 80-degree mark. You saw that initial burst of severe storms, and you look at that squall line going through Middle Tennessee, which we're on the very northern flank of. So there's your cold front from 7 o'clock. By the time we get you to 10, here comes another squall line, mostly heavy rain with that as it passes right around midnight. Then colder air pours in, and we will be feeling that for a couple of days. Not nearly as cold as up here across the northern plains, where they're seeing some of the blue, which again on our maps is snow. By the way, you saw that green coming down into Illinois and Indiana and Iowa. That's going to be your Saturday. Bill's Weather 101, we were in Montgomery County today. Say hello to the Northview 4th grade. These kids at Mount Sterling, terrific with Bill's Weather 101. Talked tornadoes, tornado safety. We talked hurricanes, since that's been a big part of the news as well. Strong storms can't be ruled out with rain and thunderstorms in the area, low 50s tonight. Showers end early tomorrow, mid 60s, upper 60s Friday, low 70s Saturday. Storms return in the afternoon, and then it gets cold.